What's up, YouTube? I wanted to share with you guys some really good news. I've hit my first milestone on YouTube. I am past 100 subscribers, and I'm just very, very excited, very happy. I'm very thankful to everyone who has subscribed to my channel so far. I can't thank you enough. The way I promise to thank you is providing you with original content, more writing videos, um, and hopefully keep you guys entertained. I plan on taking very scenic rides, uh, pretty much in the Washington, D.C. area and anywhere in Virginia, really. Um, Later, guys. Stay tuned for more videos.